Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Neha Goel. My subject is knowledge and curriculum. Topic for today is role of apex bodies in providing curriculum and pedagogic support to teachers within schools, NCRT. The National Council of Educational Research and Training is an autonomous organization set up in 1961 by the Government of India to assist and advise the state and central governments on policies and programs. It acts as an advisor to MHRD and is fully financed by central government. The Union Minister of MHRD is its president, and the education ministers of all the states and union territories are its members. The other members are chairmen of UGC, secretary of MHRD, and four vice chancellors. The constituents of NCRT are NIE, CIET, ERIC, RIEs, etc. It is a major step taken for the development of school education, which involves teacher education. The major objectives are to undertake, promote, and coordinate research in areas related to school education, prepare and publish model textbooks, supplementary material, newsletters, etc., organize pre service and in service training of teachers, develop and disseminate innovative educational techniques and practices, collaborate and network with state educational departments, universities, NGOs, etc., act as a clearinghouse for ideas and information matters related to school education, and act as a nodal agency for achieving the goals of universalization of elementary education. Some of the major functions are to promote and coordinate educational research, to provide extensive service, to organize pre service and in service training, to disseminate information on the latest educational technique and practice, to sponsor and organize survey of national importance, to emphasize the investigation of immediate problems. Its role in providing curriculum and pedagogic support. It determines the aims of school education, prepares model curriculum framework. It publishes model textbooks, handbooks, guidebooks, etc. Determines the aim of training of school teachers, prepares the curriculum for training of teachers, organizes pre-service and in-service training of teachers, makes effort for the expansion and upliftment of secondary education, undertakes, promotes, aids and coordinates research in all branches, establishes coordination with state level institutions and implements policies and programs relating to educational reforms, establishes coordination with organizations of international levels like UNESCO and UNICEF, publishes journals, research reports, teachers' guide, and other useful material for the benefit of teachers, students, research worker, and other persons associated with education. It organizes survey at national level at every 5 years, disseminates improved techniques and practices, and acts as a clearinghouse for ideas and information on all matters relating to school education. Thank you.